Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by gathering materials for a realistic paper iPhone replica. Use 110 lb cardstock, clear acetate, double-sided tape, a ruler, and a craft knife. Measure the phone outline precisely using iPhone dimensions of 5, 45 by 2, 65 inches and 0, 29-inch thickness. Print the home screen image at actual size for accurate trimming. Cut a front and back panel from cardstock using a ruler for straight edges. Begin assembly by aligning the printed screen with the front panel precisely. Place clear acetate over the printed screen and secure it with double-sided tape. Cut a side strip of cardstock to 0, 29-inch thickness and glue it around the panel edges for realistic depth. Sandwich the back panel and press firmly to bond the side strip evenly. Reinforce internal corners with small cardstock tabs to prevent separation. Allow adhesive to dry for at least 30 minutes before handling gently. Finish the replica by adding buttons and camera details carefully with a craft knife. Draw speaker grills and button shadows using a fine black marker for realism. Seal all external edges with a thin layer of clear glue or varnish to increase durability. Optionally embed small flat magnets for a detachable case effect or attach a folded paper stand for display. Aim to keep the finished model light, typically under 200 grams, so it handles like a real phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.